Good afternoon, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. We're going to do a different video today. I want to introduce you guys to the world's most powerful magnet and it begins journey to heart of giant fusion experiments. Do you see how big this thing is? There's a reason why I'm doing this for y'all today. It will produce a magnetic field 280,000 times stronger than the one made by our Earth, by our planet. What? Why would they do that? What is the point? Well, you come down here, it tells you engineers in the U.S. are preparing to ship the first part of the world's most powerful magnet to France, where it will help power a state-of-the-art nuclear fusion reactor. Oh, that just sounds great, doesn't it? It's an international experiment that involves 35 countries and aims to prove the feasibility and sustain nuclear fusion to create energy. In nuclear fusion, small atoms are fused to create larger ones. A reaction that releases enormous amounts of energy. 280,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Why? Why do we need to do that? Look at this. It weighs 100,000 tons. Okay, that's concerning. So what's the deal? Central solenoid. Faraday's law of induction. Okay? So everybody, right here I am, livescience.com, world's most powerful magnet. Okay? But this is where I'm wanting to get to it. Right here. See this? I'm going to go down a little bit and show you guys the people there. This is a real ordeal. What happens to go into France? Does anybody know? It rhymes with burn, like burn. Sounds like Bern, Sweden. Starts with a C, called CERN. Yeah. So this is inside the magnet. Okay? Do you see what this is right here? This is a torus field of an energy. That's right, a torus field. Let me show you. Right up here you guys can see torus field of energy. See this? Torus field of energy. Right here. Look at this. Torus field of energy. You guys see that? Okay. What in the world's up with the torus fields of energy? Well, guess what? Everything has a torus field. This is where I'm at. Monatomic ormy. Well, how is that connected, right? How does that connect? Well, guess what? Everything has a torus field. Tornadoes, apples, trees, us. We actually create energy. We create up to 10 joules of energy. Our planet only creates 0.6. So, could we be farmed as humans for our energy? Yes. Now, what is all of this with the stars? You know, like with these pentagrams, right? Does this make sense? I mean, you see that this is somebody meditating. But let's go here. Torus Stones, Michael Tillinger. What a brilliant guy. This guy has done so much for the world, and I really hope that he gets so much credit for it. Torus Stones generate energy. Michael Tillinger, he is uncovering the truth of things that are going on. Here's one right here. Torus stone pushes the EMF detector to its limit. Electromagnetic field, a torus stone. And right here are the cones. So somehow by combining these cones and the torus stones, somehow creates some kind of a vibrational ordeal to get things to move. Cone-shaped tools everywhere. So please come visit Michael Tillinger. Look him up on YouTube. He's got some channels. He's got some that are over 2 hours long, and they are so worth the watch. It's insane. So here we go again. So you see all these little stars, right? These little pentagrams, these little star pentagrams, as we saw right here, with the individual sitting on it, right? Well, how does that connect? Well, let me show you. Star forts all over the world. These are real star forts. Actually, here, let's do this. These are the locations of all the star forts in the world. Yes, no joke. These are the star forts all over the world. And it's kind of got to make you wonder, what in the world? Star forts? That's not true, but here they are right here. Look, star forts around the world. Photos. Star-shaped forts. They're all over. It's energy. It's a collection of energy. Dragor, or dragon, Fort, Denmark. Star Fort in India. Star forts, or ancient power stations. Portuguese Star Fort. They got the names of them. You can look them up. They're everywhere. We've even got newer ones, recent ones. Look at this. Fort Bortang. I think I said that right. Bortang? Yeah. They're everywhere, all over this planet. And people don't even know about all this. And this is ancient technology of energy. Yes, energy. This is all about energy. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points and then a small... What does this look like? Does anybody here in the United States know what this looks like? It looks kind of like the Pentagon right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a star fort. Yes. Oh, looky here. Here's the White House in the center. Look at this. Right here. Pyramid. Coming right here. Boop. Here's the eye of the pyramid. Right here. It is the White House. You see that? Look at this. You got all these shapes of triangles coming here. You've got it. Look at this. Here's one right here. Here's another triangle right here. Coming right here. And guess what this is right here? The State Capitol building. That's right. Right here at the top of this triangle. And look at, right here is an eye. Do you see this? This is an eye that sits on top of the pyramid right there. Now, if you look at this right here, I would say this is a triangle, but it's not. It looks like an upside down arrowhead. Well, what else is an upside down? What else is a regular size arrowhead? Oh, well, let's go find out what the regular arrowhead looks like. Okay, are you guys ready? So we're seeing this one here, right? We see that? Watch this. Boop. Oh, that's a regular straight up arrowhead pointing up. United States Space Force, Department of the Air Force. Okay, there's one there, there's one there, here's one here. Wow. And look, a star, like a star fort. There's another one, and another one, and another one. What in the world is going on, right? Here I am. Look, I just put in Star Trek. Look at this symbol here. All these little dots that are all over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointed stars, right? Here's the seal again. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 pointed stars. And look at all the teeny little ones all over here. Interesting. Of course, we've got our globe and this guy. That's pretty interesting. And then let's go up here, and I actually want to point something out here up at the top. We're going to tap on this photo right here. Bink. Because what it's going to do, it's going to kind of show us. Look at their badges. Oh, look. An arrowhead with a planet behind it? That's very interesting. And this one here, believe it or not, well, you can't really see it, but there's a 5-pointed star. Yes, a 5-pointed star. That's there. Why does it do that? I don't know. You tell me. Oh, here we go. Maybe this one will show us. Let's look at it. Oh, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-pointed star, like the Pentagon. Isn't that the Pentagon? I mean, let's go here. 5-pointed star. Pentagon. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty interesting. Folks, there are so many connections that it's like we just totally miss it. Look at all of these lines in DC. They're all geometrically perfect shit. I mean, here's a diamond right here. This is how DC was designed. It was designed this way on purpose. Lots of perfect geometric shapes. Why? Because they're sacred. Because it's some real stuff. Now, there are ways of actually seeing an owl on here. I'm not exactly sure how you do it, but like right here is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-point star. Boop. Another cross reference. Here's another point of intersection. The largest point of it, because everything comes to the White House. All the energy that gets collected from every single... Look at this grid. These are all grids. Grid lines. Grid lines. Like a giant stinking computer or energy conductor. Just taking all the energy and sucking it right here to the White House. That's right. We are batteries. All of our energy, everything we do, it's all, we're batteries. And they suck it right to this point right here. Yes, there is so much depth of deception and things that are going on that people don't even think about, like at all. I mean, we're talking, where are we at here? Star forts. That's where all of them are. And yet here you go here. This is old, ancient technology that's been known for thousands of years. Oh, look, Statue of Liberty. Oh yeah, 8-pointed star with a goddess of prostitution, a whore basically, standing right here, holding up her torch. That is a goddess of sexual sin. Babylon. That's us. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. And that's why our country has been going downhill in such a quick fashion. I mean, let's be honest. How many people in the United States have we looked at Lady Liberty and been like, oh, she's great, Lady Liberty, represents freedom? No, it does not. No. Sexual sin. Think about our country versus other countries. We're in a lot of trouble. And we've been deceived and lied to for so long that it's insane. I mean, we've got tons of them here in the United States, in Florida, in DC, California. I mean, they're everywhere. So start doing some research, folks. Find out how it's all connected. I'll bet you'll be surprised. Love you guys. Stay safe. Be love. Be of love. Love unconditionally. No strings attached. No conditions. Forgive. And have compassion. Unconditional love is the only way we can possibly move forward. And I love you all. Be safe.